Presenting the Mi TV 4A Horizon Edition 32 inches HD Ready Android LED TV in grey color. With HD Ready resolution and a refresh rate of 60 Hz, this television provides a balance of color, contrast and clarity for improved picture quality. This Mi Horizon Edition TV has an LED panel with a bezel-less design, giving the TV an expansive view. The Horizon display and vivid picture engine delivers lifelike images for an immersive viewing experience across a 178-degree wide viewing angle. It comes with a maximum viewing distance of 8 feet. This Mi Android TV comes with 5,000 plus apps, offering you unlimited entertainment. The Google Assistant lets you search content, control your smart home devices and much more through voice commands. With Google Chromecast, you can cast your mobile device content onto the bigger TV screen. It also comes with patch wall experience along with universal search across streaming platforms, so that you don't need to remember which content piece is on which platform. With Mi Quick Wake, you can now resume shows in less than 5 seconds after your breaks. This Mi TV also has a kids mode that lets you monitor and control the content for your children. The TV has 3 HDMI and 2 USB ports for easy connectivity. It has 20-watt stereo speakers with DTS HD sound. This LED TV comes with 2 table stand base, user manual, remote control and 4 screws. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page.
Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at some of the key features of the OnePlus 32Y1 32-inch TV. This new 32-inch Full HD Smart TV from OnePlus is an extension of the company's Y series and packs a whole lot of tech. The 32-inch TV is a Full HD TV with a resolution of 1366 x 768 pixels at a refresh rate of 60 Hz. The TV runs on Android TV and also comes with OnePlus's Oxygen Play UI. It also supports Google Assistant and Chromecast. Running on Android 9, users get access to the Google Play Store. You can download all popular streaming services such as Netflix, Prime Video and much more from the Play Store. The TV boasts of a bezel-less display, giving the TV a 93% screen-to-body ratio. This TV also comes with the One Connect app. You can control all the functions of the TV by simply using the smartphone companion app. The TV also boasts 20 watts of sound and support for Dolby Audio. When it comes to connectivity options, the TV has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, 2 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, an Ethernet port, an antenna port, an AV port and an optical port. Those were some of the key features of the OnePlus 32Y1 32-inch TV. Thank you so much for watching.
Presenting the LG LED Smart TV in the color ceramic black with a resolution of 1920 x 1080. This Smart TV is available in 4 variants: 32-inch 2019 model, 32-inch 2020 model, 43-inch 2019 model and 43-inch 2020 model. This Full HD TV with a refresh rate of 50 Hz makes your viewing experience delightful. It has a thin bezel and stylish finish, work in harmony with your interior to create a better viewing experience. The advanced image processor adjusts color for richer, more natural images. The Active HDR optimizes every scene, delivering delicate detail and rich color. The Multi-HDR format, including HDR10 and HLG, coupled with LG's dynamic scene-by-scene adjustment technology, lets you enjoy any video content in amazing HDR quality. You can enjoy your favorite movies and TV series on Netflix, Disney Plus Hotstar, Amazon Prime and many more on your LG Smart TV with WebOS. 4 fast, accurate processors eliminate noise and create more dynamic color and contrast. Low-resolution images are also upscaled and reproduced as sharper, more vivid images. Using the home dashboard, you can access connected smart devices remotely from one big screen. Some of the other smart TV features include unlimited OTT app support, LG Content Store, Mini TV browser, cloud photos and videos, multitasking, screen mirroring and Office 365. Connect your smart TV with Wi-Fi to enable different smart features on your TV. It has 2 HDMI ports and 1 USB port for easy connectivity. Experience clearer, more immersive theatre quality sound at home with the Dolby Audio on your TV. The built-in speakers delivers sound from all angles, thus enabling you to enjoy multi-dimensional audio. Inside the box, you will find one LED TV, one tabletop stand, one user manual, one warranty card, one remote control and 2 AAA batteries. The TV comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. Presenting the Samsung 32 inches Wondertainment series HD Ready LED Smart TV in Titan grey color. With HD Ready resolution and a refresh rate of 60 Hz, this television provides a balance of color, contrast and clarity for improved picture quality. This Samsung TV has a slim design and comes with an LED panel. With Ultra Clean View feature, the television delivers high-quality images with less distortion. The television also comes with Pure Color and Contrast Enhancer features that improves the color and the contrast for an immersive viewing experience. With HDR levels, the television also offers an immense spectrum of colors and visual details even in dark scenes. It comes with a maximum viewing distance of 7 feet. The Samsung LED Smart TV comes with multiple voice assistants for voice-enabled search. The television lets you seamlessly stream your smartphone content or computer display directly onto your TV screen. It also allows you to live cast from anywhere directly to your TV screen. Home Cloud lets you save your files to the TV wirelessly and automatically. The Samsung TV comes with one remote to control your set-top box, gaming consoles, apps and even live TV. It also comes with a game enhancer feature that lets you play games on the big screen with high-quality graphics. The TV has 2 HDMI ports and 1 USB port. It features a 20-watt output speaker with Dolby Digital Plus for an immersive audio experience. This Samsung LED TV comes with tabletop stand, user manual, warranty card and remote control. The TV comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product.
Presenting the Oneida 32 inches HD Ready Smart LED Fire TV in the color black. The TV comes in 3 size variants of 32 inches, 42 inches and 43 inches. With an HD resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels and 60 Hz of refresh rate, this Oneida TV produces smooth and clear pictures. The TV has a maximum operating distance of 6 feet. This Fire OS TV comes with a number of smart features like Alexa voice control, display mirroring, voice remote with Alexa and live TV tab. It supports all popular entertainment apps like YouTube, Prime Video, Netflix, Hotstar, ZEE5, Sony Live and more. The TV has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity and comes with 3 HDMI ports and 1 USB port. The 20-watt speaker with Dolby Digital Plus and DTS True Surround produces loud and clear sound. In the box you will find one LED TV, one tabletop stand, one wall mount bracket, one user manual, one warranty card and one remote control. The TV comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.